in the third video of chapter Resources and Development. Today I am going to teach you about land resources. What is land resources? Land is the most important natural resources which supports natural vegetation, human life, wildlife, communication, transport, railways, etc. Means the resources which are available on land is called land resources. Resources are fixed magnitude. Next we have percentage of land division in India. India is blessed by different kinds of land like plains, mountains, plateaus and deserts. First we have plains, cover 43% of land mass and provide the facility of agriculture and industry. Next is mountain, 30%, ensures perennial flow of some rivers and provide the facilities of tourism. Then plateaus, 27%, passes rich reserves of minerals and fossil fuels. Next we have land utilization, means how to use land. We can use land into various categories. First is forest. Second one is land not available for cultivation. Here we can classify the land into two parts. First is barren and wasteland. Barren and wasteland means land which is not suitable for cultivation, or we can say that poor land. And another one is land put to non-agricultural use, means land obtained by buildings, roads, railways, etc. Third is other uncultivated land. Here we can classify land into three categories. First is permanent pastures or grazing land, means the land where grass is growing for cattle. Second is land under miscellaneous trees crop grows, means land used for vegetation that is significant to be named separately. Third we have cultivable wasteland, means land can be developed for agriculture after some treatment. Fourth we have fallow land. Fallow land means the land normally used for agriculture but sometimes left with no crop to recover its fertility. Under fallow lands, we can classify land into two parts. First is current fallow land and another one is other than current fallow lands. First is current fallow lands. Current fallow lands means land left without cultivation for 1 year or less than 1 year. Other than current fallow land means land left without cultivation between 1 to 5 years. Fifth one we have net sound area. Area sound more than once in an agricultural year is known as net sound area. Next topic we have land degradation and conservation measures. Land degradation is a natural or human induced process that negatively affects the land. Means 90% of our basic needs fulfill from land, but human activities degrade the land by mining process, industrial wastage, over irrigation, deforestation, etc. So there is a need to conserve our land. Next we have ways to conserve our land. There are various ways with the help of which we can conserve our land. First is afforestation and proper management of grazing, control of mining activities, proper discharge and disposal of industrial wastage, proper management of wasteland, planting of shelter belts. Next topic we have soil as a resources. So what is soil? Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquid and organism that together support life is called soil. Next we have classification of soils. India is blessed by various types of soil. So today we will discuss about 6 types of soil in India. First is mountain and forest soil. Next is alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil, red and yellow soil, and last is black soil. So let us study all these soil with the help of map.
Let us study the soils of India with the help of map. Here we have 6 soils of India. First is forest and mountain soil. Second is alluvial soil. Third is red and yellow soil. Fourth is black soil. Fifth is laterite soil. And last is arid soil. Let's talk about first soil, forest and mountain soil. It is actually found in Himalayan region with sufficient rainforests and mostly found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Alluvial soil. It is an important and most widely spread soil in our country. It is found almost the entire northern plains like Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, West Bengal and minor region of Rajasthan and Gujarat. This soil is also present in eastern coastal plains, and if we talk about Eastern Ghat, so it is present in the deltas of river Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari. Alluvial soil is also present in the northeast part. It is suitable for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other pulses crops. Red and yellow soil. Red soil is mostly found in the eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. It is also found in the parts of Chhattisgarh. It also covers the majority part of northern east. Black soil. Black soil is also known as regur soil and useful for growing cotton and also known as black cotton. Black soil is mostly found in plateaus of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Laterite soil. Laterite soil are generally deficient in plant nutrients. They occur mostly in southern states, Western Ghat region of Maharashtra, Odisha, some parts of West Bengal and northeast region. It also found in some part of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and it is useful for growing tea and coffee. Arid soil. Basically, arid soil found in places with dry climate, high temperature, whereas evaporation is faster. This soil is mostly found in western Rajasthan.